we are starting some questions with this one. We are taking the first important point, the concept of the numerical. Look, this is a convex lens. Here is f1. Here is 2f1, f2, and there is 2f2. Again, there is another diagram. Convex, f1, 2f1, f2, and 2f2. Beta, this is the position. Look at this. This is your sign convention. This is the sign convention. In the right side, from where light is coming, it is taken negative. Okay, and on the right side, from to which that the light is going beta, it is always positive. Upward, positive x-axis, it is always taken positive, and downward side, it is taken negative. So this is the focus f2. This is the convex lens focus f2, and this is convex lens. This one is convex lens beta, f2, 2f2, f1, and 2f1. Here is that. Beta, in all of these, you know, here is convex and here is concave. Understand? Now see, it is the first diagram. Light ray goes parallel, then after refraction, it will pass through the principal focus. Second ray, it will pass through the air, and this is the image. Look at this beta. This is height of the object. Yes. Please mic off beta. Mic off kar dijiye sab log. Off the mic everyone. Okay. If you on the mic, then video is blurred or it is network problem. So just mic off. This is the height of the object HO, and this is height of the object HI, height of the image HI. Okay, this is the first point beta. Now this is the second diagram. Please mic off. First ray parallel, and then it will be passing through the focus. Second, this is the image. Now, they will never intersect at this point, so we just here. This is another image. Now you can see convex lens make real and virtual image both beta. And this is the concave lens. Here is the object. 1 minute please. Please mic off beta. This concave lens, first ray parallel, and it will be like this. The second ray will pass through the focus, optical center, sorry, and this is the image. Now see beta. This is HO, height of the image, object, and this is HI, height of the image. Here is HO and here is HI. Here is HO and here is HI. Okay. Now see beta. the distance between object and the optical center is u. Here is u, it is u here, and this is u here. This is the image distance. So we say this one is v, here is v, and here is v. Okay. Now see better. In all of this, first of all, your first value is focal length. Beta, focal length for convex and concave. Look, convex focal length is in right side, so it is on positive, and concave length it is left side, so it is negative. So focal length of convex lens is positive and concave lens is negative. Next, u, position of the object. Beta, in all of these three diagrams, position of the object is on. Beta, actually light has gone, so sorry for this. बट आप थोड़ा सा रिकॉल करिए, रिमाइंड करिए, अपने दिमाग में बैठाइए बेटा कि जो ऑब्जेक्ट होती है बेटा, जो ऑब्जेक्ट की पोजीशन होती है, आपने देखा होगा कि जो ऑब्जेक्ट की पोजीशन होती है, देखो थोड़ा सा विजिबल नहीं होगा वीडियो. अ कॉन्वेक्स लेंस फॉर्म्स अ रियल एंड inverted image of a needle at a distance of 50 centimeter from it. 50 centimeter from it. Where is the needle placed? Where is the needle placed in front of the lens? In front of the convex lens. If the image is equal in size to the object. This is the question. Okay, first read the question carefully. A convex lens forms a real image. First type of lens. Lens is convex. Second point, forms are real and inverted. Image nature is real and inverted. Next, of a needle, inverted image of a needle at a distance of 50 centimeter from it. Means image is formed at 50 centimeter from the lens. Look at this. This is your lens. Here is the image needle, and this one is the image. This distance is at 50 centimeter. Understood the question, beta? And you know, real image is formed at the right side. So here V is equal to plus 50 centimeter. Focal length, it is not given, but it is given if the image is equal in size to the object. Image means HI is equal to HO, but remember HI is equal to HO and image is inverted, so HI is equal to minus HO. Now with the help of this, you use the formula HI upon HO. Okay, so M is equal to, in place of HI, just put minus HO upon HO. Cancelled out, it is minus 1. So M is equal to minus 1. Again use the formula this one. M is equal to V upon U. In place of M, just put minus 1. V upon U. Beta, in place of V, put plus 50 centimeter and U. So U is equal to, when you multiply, U is equal to minus 50 centimeter. So this is the image position, object position. Understood the question, beta? Now you have U and you have V. With the help of these, you can calculate the also find the power of the lens. In this question, also find power of lens. Look, beta. 1 upon F is equal to 1 upon V minus 1 upon U. 1 upon V plus 50. 1 upon U minus 50. So 1 upon F is equal to 1 upon 50 minus minus plus 1 upon 50. When you solve 50, that is 2, that is 1 upon 25. So F is equal to 25 centimeter. Beta, power is equal to 1 upon F. But remember, F should be in meter. So just convert 25 centimeter into meter. So 20 by 100 meter. So power is equal to 1 upon 25 by 100, that is 100 upon 25. It is equal to plus 4 diameter. Understood, beta? I hope your question, beta. Just a minute. Now, ठीक है? Visible है बेटा? Now the next question. Next question. It is of exercise question. It is question number 10, beta. Exercise question number 10. An object 5 centimeter in length, 5 centimeter in length is held where it is held 25 centimeter away, 25 centimeter away from a converging lens, from a converging lens, from a converging lens of focal length 10 centimeter. Draw the ray diagram. And find position, size and nature. This is the question. An object 5 centimeter in length. What is it given? An object 5 centimeter in length. It means height of the object is 5 centimeter. Is held 25 centimeter away. Is held 25 centimeter away from a converging lens. What type of lens? Converging. And you know, converging lens, another name is convex lens. So lens is convex. Its focal length is 10 centimeter. So focal length is plus 10 centimeter. And where is the object placed? 25 centimeter. So U is equal to minus 25 centimeter. Always put the minus sign. Draw the diagram. we have to draw the just rough diagram beta. This is convex lens. First calculate V beta, then we draw. 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon v minus 1 upon u. This is the lens formula. So 1 upon f, that is 1 upon plus 10. 1 upon v, we have to calculate 1 upon u minus 25. 1 upon 10 is equal to 1 upon v minus plus 25. 1 upon 10, transfer this, minus 1 upon 25, 1 upon v, take the LCM 50, 10 5 is 50, 25 2 is 50, 1 upon v, so it is plus 3 by 50 is equal to 1 upon v, so v is equal to plus 50 by 3 centimeter. Okay, this is v. Now nature and size, m is equal to v by u, v upon u. In place of v, plus 50 by 3, it is minus 25. So 50 by 3 into, this will be there, minus 1 upon 25. 25 to 50, that is minus 2 by 3. So m is equal to minus 2 by 3. Okay, m is equal to minus 2 by 3. Now height of the object, again use the formula m is equal to hi upon ho. In place of m, minus 2 by 3. Hi we have to calculate, and ho is 5. So from here hi is equal to cross multiplication minus 10 by 3 centimeter. Now draw the diagram. Look at it. This is a convex lens. This is a convex lens. Here is f1. How beta? hi is equal to minus 10 by 3. Transfer na? By f2 and to f3. Now beta, focus is 10 centimeter. So from here to here it is 10 centimeter. So double is 20 centimeter. From here to here it is 20 centimeter. An object is placed 25 centimeter. So 10, 20, 25. So object is here beta. It means object is placed beyond 2f1. And no need to draw the other measurements. Only 2 measurements are enough. First write parallel, they will pass through the focus, secondary optical center, and this will meet here beta. And you know, ये जो इमेज तुम डिस्टेंस मेजर करोगे ना, ये 50/3 के आसपास आएगा. 50/3 का मतलब ये हुआ बेटा 16 point something, 10, 20, that means 16. So this is 16.33 centimeter. I hope question number 10 also clear. Now the next question and the last question. It's question number 11 beta. A concave lens of focal length 15 centimeter forms an image 10 centimeter from the lens. A concave lens of focal length 15 centimeter forms an image 10 centimeter from the lens. How far is the object? How far is the object from the lens. From the lens. Draw the ray diagram. Draw ray diagram. This is the question written. A concave lens of focal length 15 cm. What type of lens? Concave. So focal length will be f is equal to minus 15 cm. Forms an image 10 cm from the lens. Beta, first draw the rough diagram. This is concave lens. Here is f2, 2f2, f1 and 2f1. If there is object here, then the image is formed at this point. At this point beta. It means on the left side. So it is virtual. Forms an image 10 cm from the lens. So V is equal to minus 10 cm. Why we have written minus sign? Understood beta? Because it is on left side by seeing the diagram. Now you have two values, focal length and final image position. With the help of these two, you can calculate the initial position. 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon v minus 1 upon u. 1 upon f minus 15, 1 upon v minus 10 minus 1 upon u. Put the sign above. Minus 1 upon 15 equal to minus 1 upon 10 minus 1 upon u. Transfer this with that. Minus 1 upon 15 plus 1 upon 10 minus 1 upon u. Take the LCM. It is 30. Minus 2 plus 3 is equal to minus 1 upon u. So it is plus 1 upon 30 is equal to minus 1 upon u. So u is equal to minus u is equal to 30. So u is equal to minus 30 centimeters. Understood better? Now with the help of these, you can draw the diagram. First principal axis. Then concave lens. Here is f2, 2f2, f1, 2f1. Focus is 15 centimeter. So from here to it is 15 centimeter. From here to here it is 15 centimeter. It is 15 centimeter. Object is at 30 centimeter. It means 15 and a double is 30. So object is at this point. This distance is 30 centimeter. The first roll is goes parallel. After reflection it will be there. Second ray it will pass through the optical center. And this is the image. So where is the position V? It is 10 centimeter. From here to it is 15. So here to here 10 centimeter. I hope everything is clear beta. And you know power is the diverging or converging degree of convergence or divergence is known as power. How much degree of how much amount of light converges or how much amount of light diverges, it is decided by power of the lens. If and power is reciprocal of focal length, it means if focal length increases, then power will decrease beta. And the unit is, if f is decided in meter, then power will be in 1 upon f in meter, and it is said to be diopter. Its unit is diopter beta, that is capital D. Okay, remember focal length must be in meter and then power will be in diopter. Now some question is focal length is plus minus 20 centimeter. Find the power of the lens. Look at this. Power is equal to 1 upon f, but f must be in meter and here it is in centimeter. So convert focal length in meter. Minus 20 by 100 meter. By dividing by 100, it is converted into meter. Now power is 1 upon minus 20 by 100. So it is minus 100 by 20. It will be minus 5 diopter. So from this Buddha, we can also find the nature of the lens. As focal length is negative, focal length if focal length is negative, then it is converging concave lens beta. And if focal length is positive, then it is convex lens. So what type of lens is this? Here focal length is negative, so lens is concave lens. If focal length will be positive, then it is convex lens. Beta, on Monday there is a physics test of lens and their diagrams. Just revise it. I have provided some worksheets. One worksheet yesterday beta, and please submit it by 5 PM today. Okay, उनमें से जो क्वेश्चंस तुम्हें नहीं आएंगे, please ask me, I will tell you. And one more point, your previous test paper copy will be distributed on Sunday. Okay, so I am just closing my this session. If any problem, then on my personal number. Yes beta. Name beta. मानसी रंजन 10th G 29 ना. ओके बेटा, अभी हम कर देंगे. अभी आप लोग क्या करिएगा, अपना प्रेजेंट भेज दीजिएगा और सेकंड थिंग उसका स्क्रीनशॉट भेज दीजिएगा. ठीक है, चलिए मीटिंग ओवर कर रहे हैं बेटा. थैंक यू. हाँ बेटा. यस बेटा. ये पहली बात तो ये जो पढ़ा है इसका स्क्रीनशॉट ले लीजिए. ये जो पढ़ाया गया पहले इसका स्क्रीनशॉट ले लीजिए, और उसके बाद जो अटेंडेंस है उसका स्क्रीनशॉट भेज दीजिए मुझे. दोनों चीज़ें भेजिएगा. ठीक है, जो भी पढ़ा है इसका पहले स्क्रीनशॉट ले लीजिए पूरा. डन. ओके, थैंक यू बेटा.